Frost on my breath, ice in my stare. Raised by the wolves, ain't nothing but dare. Roots in the dirt, fists in the sky. Heart of the mountain, soul that won't die. We wear our scars like medals of flame. Born from the struggle, remember our name. We break, we bend, but we never stayed broke. Northern born pride, that's the oath we invoke. Born of stone, born of stone. Hearts beat hard where the cold winds moan. Born of stone, born of stone. We stand, we fight, we bleed, we own. Axes and ashes, we built it from pain. Storms in our veins, never tame, never chain. From the Black River to the red clay plains, we ain't made for pity, we're made for rains. Holler in the hollow, shout in the storm. We ain't just alive, we're reborn, reborn. March with the dead, sing with the crows. Northern blood runs where the cold wind blows. Hands to the sky, raise them high. Born to survive, never die. Born of stone, born of stone. Hearts beat hard where the cold winds moan. Born of stone, born of stone. We stand, we fight, we bleed, we own. Shoulda, who's they? Our name. Whose blood? Our blood. Whose heart? Our heart. We were born, born of stone. Born of stone, born of stone. Hearts beat hard where the cold winds moan. Born of stone, born of stone. We stand, we fight, we make, we own. We rise from the ground. Our blood don't back down. Born of stone.